Are you ready, Jackson?
Jackson, get it ready and don't shoot. He's going to come off the ground.
Stand up and spook him, Kyle.
Nope. Hey, you had a
I
good
think you
shot.
got him though,
Hold your gun up
Jackson.
now.
I think that was good.
Oh yeah, down from the left here, guys.
Just wait, Jackson. Just wait. Oh, they're kind of...
Here they come. Take him, guys.
Get back.
That was a good shot. Watch your... Take him. Oh, they're going to get him maybe without even shooting. Oh! Nope.
Oh, he missed.
Oh, 2 in 1 shot. Jackson swinging around to the right.
Triple.
Jackson, stop.
I think that one, to be fair, I think that one was full of water when we threw it out there. Oh, somebody got a drake.
Nice.
One of them is
That
mine.
was awesome. I saw 2 go down at once.
I think the drake was mine. The
Was
drake
it?
is mine.
Oh, Jackson.
I know I shot that one.
You're going to be cleaning lots of birds today, Jackson.
I shot that thunder swan too.
This flock of teal started as 20. And they keep coming back. I think they're down to about 7. We're aiming to shoot the whole village today.
Oh, here are 2 out front to the left.
Here comes 2 more.
Take him, guys.
We get him, Kyle? Only had 1 shell in?
Oh, darn it.
Where's that? Did you get that other one over there? Or? A lot of buffies today. There are very few birds more beautiful than one of these.
One of mine was real
Gorgeous. Mesmerizing when they're coming in. 26. A few more.
Take him, guys. Take him, guys.
Cool.
That's on the X right there.
Take them.
Wow.
Those are big ducks. There you go. Good job, guys.
Nice shot.
That's a mallard right there.
Yeah, nice shot, Jeff.
I didn't shoot
I was going to try and swing at the other ones, but it's wasted.
Okay, take him over there, guys.
Right above you, Matt.
Stepped on him.
Matt. Give you wet.
Step
I'll take a drink. Why not? Might as well. Jump it up.
You waited for me to grab the decoy to throw at him before he fly off. He would not fly. I thought I would throw the Dakota at him. He figured he was safe because the Dakotas look so real, he thought I was just feeding them stuff. And then when I grabbed the Dakota by the head, he thought, oh crap. That's a decoy. We gotta wait for them to line up though. Are they too far out there?
They're at about 40,
They are
45.
Alright, we'll let them off, I guess. They're swimming now.
Did you see that thing break down? That thing came out of nowhere.
I'm filming, not shooting.
I'm back here.
Mike is also behind.
Oh.
got to learn to be just a little. Is that a rooster?
Is that a
Is that a rooster? Well, it's noon. Still some ducks flying around. Not as many birds as there were last weekend. We think some birds pushed out. We had cold snap the past couple days, but I don't know what we ended up with. Probably 10 or so. A lot of nice big Drake greens, and Steve got a trophy Drake gadwall. Some boys are still banging away, but even managed a bonus goose. So not the best hunt of the year, but definitely a memorable hunt. And got Cheyenne out. She doesn't get out too much. She's getting up to, she's 11 or so now, so probably one of her last hunts, but she's still tough, aren't you, girl? Late season goose to come, and we'll probably get out here a couple more times, but I'm sure it'll hit 60 again. It's Minnesota.
How'd you run the farm path?
Yeah, I wouldn't want a deer hunter to mistake me for a deer crossing the river with a bunch of ducks and a gun on his back. Okay, Keller brought us back to this spot that Tut scouted, and I'm bleeding, and Grizz didn't make it all the way. We may have to pick him up with a chopper. I don't know. I think I saw him swelling a Pepsi and chilling by a big oak tree back there, but pants were up though. But got a buttload of ducks on the ice, and they don't want to fly. So I left southern Minnesota where it was open water and about 40 degrees and came up here where everything's froze.
That's your second box already.
I'm thinking I probably should have brought my tip-ups. Matt's got the patented drip going.
Wrong hand.
Oh, that is a good close-up of the drip. That is disgusting.
You know what? I haven't showered since Saturday.
Shoot that drip. Kill that drip. I just got 2 at one shot.
The ice around the tips of my gloves are insulating my fingers.
What is?
Heat is like, oh, sweet.
That's why
It's keeping my fingertips warm.
Kill him?
That was dead over there.
I swear there's only 2 in that bunch. Good. Where did those come from? I don't know, but I liked it. This is like east. I'm like, what?
Kill him! So it's like, I don't know, 9 degrees. There was no wind last night, so anything that didn't freeze probably did. And we were hoping these birds would still be on this hole, and they are. And their feet are probably frozen in the ice, so we're thinking we should just be able to sneak up there and just take their heads off. Matt brought the machetes. Lots of ducks, lots of geese, and the only issue is they're roosting in the same, pretty close to where we're going to hunt, so hopefully they kick out and come back, and there's other birds in the area, but who was that? That was you, Peterson. Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
That's gonna break ice. That is rank.
I don't feel so good.
I'm gonna be sick.
I'm just dizzy. I'm gonna see if your decoy's working and you just send it to us for a season. Throw in the pile. Mike.
Oh, you want me to shoot him?
Yeah. He's gonna jump.
Oh my gosh, now what's happening? It's a dog! It's a killer dog!
I don't want to kill it.
Kill it.
Oh, done! Oh, done!
Doesn't matter.
I shot once. I don't think I.
First shot, we were all behind her. The second
What happened, Josh?
The shell didn't pop. Oh, you mean the mess?
And you still gave her 3. You see these mountains, right? Okay, gotcha. Single ring bill. Single ring bill, here it comes. Okay. Yeah.
You see the bounce on that?
That was quite the bounce.
Yep.
Up on, so I would have had one. Look at these things, they're freaking huge.
Yeah, they are.
No, wait.
Get it, go, get it. That's a coot! I told you it's a coot! Coot! Kidding? Coot in the field? Bust him. Let him jump. And then when you don't, I'll
Care
swing on
about
him.
the geese?
Geese are coming back.
Just get the coot. It's a once in a lifetime opportunity.
It is a once in a
Come
lifetime.
on.
Somebody's-
There goes.
That
Yes!
I was waiting, I'm like,
Oh, trophy!
you on that camera, man?
never would I have ever guessed.
A coot in a cornfield. Amazing.
Oh, you're like, oh, you know, you're looking at it, you're like, that's a pretty duck. And then you let your fingers go. It's got ostrich legs under there.
The legs are really what screw that bird up.
That's what black cloud does to a coot leg right there.
They came right into the goose spread.
I was gonna let him go, but
I wasn't going to let him go.
No way.
what's amazing is that, you know,
If you weren't going to pull the trigger quick, it was happening.
That's right,
on
you'll-
my end.
you'll never shoot a coot on the river or
rolled up.
something.
I'm like,
You just
somebody's
pass
shooting.
them all the time, but when one lands in your goose spread, CNS custom calls right there.
That duck's a
Guaranteed to call coot.
Screw them. You got any more coots?
Yeah,
Oh, I hope the coots are coming in.
I think they're on the other shore.
They're on the other shore?
What happened to keeping them green?
Crazy things are happening here.
Yeah.
We just shot a coot in the decoys. These two circle us about 15 times, never even come close to working. Then they go land on a lake that's frozen in the cattails. And so I put the mad sneak on them. I get over, the drake is passed out, oblivious to anything that's about to come to him. The hen, she's walking, and I wait till she gets right in front of the drake and so I can line them up. As soon as she does, she looks at me, I go boom, and they just shot him where he lay.
So he's still asleep. He never woke up.
He never woke up. He shut his eyes and never opened them. And she just gave me, I wasn't gonna shoot her, but she walked right in front. I'm like,
It's on.
it's the end of the season. Hold nothing back. There's no shame in shooting a hen, especially when she's walking on the ice.